Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. The house is in chaos. We go on holiday very shortly and I still need to pack. The thing that we're taking on holiday, I've shoved in my toddler's nursery. I was going to show you the room. I'll show you a quick clip. So embarrassing, it's such a state. So I've been worrying all night about how I'm going to pack, which is really weird because I'm usually quite organised. So in my head I know what I'm packing, I know what we're taking, we've planned our outfits, and I'm really excited to show you that. I'm not excited about is the chaos that's going on at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some time to clear up the room and organise it a bit, put everything in piles, and then I'm going to pack. So let's do this. Let's pack for our 2021 Disney cruise. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use packing cubes because we're only going for 3 days, okay? I don't want to spend all my time unpacking when we're there. I just want to unpack the cubes and know what we're wearing each day. So basically, I've just had a little look around the house. I got these 3 packing cubes from TK Maxx and they were $9.99. They're quite big. And then sets like this come from Amazon a long time ago. They came in sets of 3 and a lot of them have broken now. I've got the girls' toiletry bags. And then this packing cube, I'm pretty sure I got from somewhere like B&M or Home Bargains for £1. I wish I had gotten more when I saw them because they're big and they're deep and I really like them. And these bags, I featured these bags before on a PGL packing video. They're shoe bags actually, but they're really they're quite good bags. They're good quality and they've got like a clear strip in the front, so when I'm packing like certain outfits for certain days I can almost see through the bag for what we're wearing, so I could even just get there and hang it in the wardrobe rather than unpack everything. I could get 2 or 3 outfits in there. So yeah, that's what I'm doing first, is sorting out all my packing cubes and things like bags, and then yeah, I'm gonna tackle this lot. So I'm making a bit of progress. What I've just decided to do is put swimwear, underwear, pyjamas all together for the 3 of us girls, and I'm going to put it all in one big packing cube. But as I'm going along, I'm trying to sort out outfits for what we're wearing on each evening. I'm not interested in daytime ones, we can throw them together, but so for instance the last evening I want us all to wear black because we're at the Animators Palette restaurant, and that's kind of more Mickey Mouse. What I'm doing is, as I'm going through the outfits, I'm kind of putting things together so I can pack them together. Like I've got the headband for Snow White here. This is Lydia's outfit, and how cute are the shoes that go with it. I just like, I'm getting quite emotional now because these used to be her big sisters and they're actually bang on size for Lydia. And things like, you know, the girls' jackets, they're both taking leather jackets with them for the nighttime shows, little sunglasses for the daytime outfits. Yeah, and I'm going to pack 2 little woody hats just in case we're on deck at sunset and it's a bit chilly. Now that I've got the girls' swim stuff out, I've decided I'm just going to let them share a packing cube. I'm not going overboard, I'm just going to make sure that they're protected from the sun. Little pair of scissors so that I can cut off any tags, and any hangers that I'm taking fresh clothes off of, I'm going to put them back up on there and hang them up just so I can keep a bit organised and tidy as I go along. Up there is pretty much everything that the girls need. It's just my stuff really. And now I knew there was a reason I brought this Mickey waterproof bag. I'm going to take it as hand luggage and I'm going to put them a swim set each inside here along with mine and my husband's, because as soon as we board, whilst we're waiting for our luggage, we're going straight to the pool. So yep, that's a really good item to remember, to take on anything that you'll need for the day in a little carry bag. Okay, swimwear, socks, underwear, pyjamas for the girls. See if this fits. And that is why I love a packing cube. Perfect. Okay, so when I go away, I like to live during the day in kaftans and swimwear, and I have a lot. So I'm going to give myself a bigger packing cube. Right, for embarkation day, when we get on and we're waiting for our luggage, I'm going to pack my bikini. So I'm wearing a Sea Volley bikini. I love this brand, it's so nice. And I'm going to take this little kind of wraparound with me. I got this from TK Maxx, and hopefully I'm sure I'll show it on my Instagram tomorrow when I'm wearing it. But it was £2.50. What a bargain. I found it, loved it, saw that they had a black one as well, so got it in black. £2.50. There's so many tags to cut off of these. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then start filling it with the girls' toiletries. So when we board, I'm just sorting our outfits so it's less stuff to pack. I'm going to wear that gorgeous kimono I just showed you with a white bodysuit and some denim shorts. Olivia's going to wear her Curating flip-flops. She's going to wear her denim shorts and this Tinkerbell cropped t-shirt. It's nice and baggy. And then Lydia is going to wear her Minnie Mouse sunglasses, and this is just a really nice soft t-shirt with some matching leggings and her Disney shoes. All of these outfits have been linked in a previous video, which you will get to see if you have a look at the other videos on my YouTube channel. On the Friday evening, we are all going to be dressing as Snow White. So this is Lydia's outfit. Lydia, can I see your shoes? Lydia's here just dressing up, but I can't show her because she hasn't got her clothes on. I'm going to show your shoes. These are the little Snow White shoes she's going to be wearing with her outfit. She needs to let me pack these. So my eldest has promised me she's also going to dress as Snow White. So this is her outfit for day one evening, and she's got like a slightly older headband for her hair. So for my Snow White outfit, I'm wearing this lovely yellow dress. It's absolutely beautiful. It's by Guess, and this blue velvet cape. I'm not sure if I'll wear the cape, I might do, just for like walking into the restaurant. And then I've got these shoes from Kurt Geiger, and they're really high, so we'll see how I get on with them. I haven't worn them for a long time. I've also got a matching red clutch bag to go with them, so I might have to go and just grab that out quickly. Day one for evening outfits all fit into one of those blue shoestring bags. I'm starting to fill up the case now. Might need 2 cases. This is a medium sized case. Might just go and see if we've got a large. What, darling? So hang on. The packing's getting a little lighter now. Second daytime we're there. I'm just going, I know we're going to be kind of by the pool, walking around, looking around. I've got this lovely beach dress. It's long, colourful, really pretty at the back. Lydia is going to wear this little shorts and top set. And then Olivia, she's going to have her Cruella t-shirt and a denim skirt with her sliders, and if she wants to wear this in her hair in the day, she can. Right. Saturday night I'm going to be wearing this dress from, I don't know how to say that, Reese? I'm not sure how you say that. It's like a wrap dress. Actually, I need to go and get some shoes to go with that, but I'm thinking something quite flat, nothing too fancy. Okay, so we're going for this colour, and I'm going to wear a pair of ears, I think, to Saturday night's dinner. Tonight, Olivia's going for this pretty little number. It's quite a cute dress. I wasn't sure she'd wear it, but she's tried it on and she loves it. That's just from TK Maxx. These are green shoes, which she'll probably wear every night, to be honest, with her like out outfits, and they're Kurt Geiger's as well. We like Kurt Geiger in this house. And then my toddler, for the second night at dinner, she's got this cute little Minnie Mouse dress. Also the second night, I think there's a show on deck, so I'm going to pack our jackets. I'll show you what jackets we're taking. This is Olivia's leather jacket. I've got basically more or less the same. And this is Lydia's. Oh my god, it's from Primark. She's never worn it. It will go so nice with her dress. How much was that? Matches the little dress so well. How lovely will that be? So what are we on now? I just took a break to charge the camera battery. Sunday daytime. Okay, Sunday daytime, pretty basic, just a green bodycon dress for, again, lounging around by the pool, having a little walk around the shops. Lydia can have a Minnie Mouse dress, and Olivia will have a Minnie Mouse t-shirt and shorts. Okay, so Sunday night is a night I'm really looking forward to. We're having dinner at Animator's Palace. It's all about how they, the artists design the drawings and how they put them into the cartoons and stuff like that. It just looks really fun. So we're going for black. So this is Lydia's outfit. This is my 9-year-old's dress, which I think is so grown up and special. She's going to look amazing. And this is my dress. It's a long bodycon dress with long sleeves. It's not too thick actually, it's quite thin, it's nice. I've got to take this tag off. That's one of the collections, one of the styles from the Michelle Keegan collection for Fairy, I think it is, that she does that for. And with that black dress, focus! With that black dress, I'm going to wear these boots. I feel like I should go for some boots. So I'm going to go for some boots. And also for Animator's Palace, the girls are going to wear their Mickey Mouse, or Minnie Mouse, sorry, headbands. And I might steal this, which belongs to Olivia, to wear with my black dress. There's our 3 outfits sorted, and shoes for every evening, and accessories, apart from jewellery. What do I need to pack now? I just need to finish packing some going home stuff and accessories and some extras that I'm taking, which I'll show you now. I'm taking is this stunning blue robe. I've got a swimsuit in exactly the same colour. This is from River Island and I'll definitely be wearing that. Another robe that I'm taking is this robe. I love the colour, it's lovely and silky. It's from Primark and I got it for half price for about £7 I think. So I'm going to take some extra outfits. I'm going to take the Mickey jumper and some matching Mickey leggings. I'm going to take my workout gear and this other little set for Lydia. It's the same as the set you saw earlier, it's just in green. No, it's just in pink. Actually, for extras, I'm also going to take matching robes for the girls. It's quite nice to have a breakfast on your balcony one morning, isn't it, if the sun's nice. And then, lastly, look at this princess dress. Let me hang it for you so you can see. This was from TK Maxx. It's a 2-year-old. It has a little crown and a little cape. Put it on there. And that's for Lydia to wear whatever day she wants to, really. I think we're invited to a tea because we're concierge guests. And I think I might let her wear that. Cute. Yeah. Did you eat all your sausages? Yeah. Yeah? Well, that's a big packing cube. Let's move these around a bit. We're going on holiday, but I'm going to rearrange all these packing cubes last. One. So I'm just taking this little packing cube for some pull-ups. My daughter's potty trained, but she still needs some pull-ups sometimes at night. I think on holiday we will. So one more last little packing hack. Up my makeup bag because I didn't want to share the girls in the end. And I'm taking this box with me just so I can store my stuff in there nicely, like even my creams and bits, because I don't like having everything just laying around and getting knocked over. So yeah, I'm taking that, and that's a fold down box. So the sides of that box come out and it folds down flat. I'm going to put it in the side there actually. That like that, that like that. There we go. Cubes and make them all fit. I'm going to do my case up and put this lovely luggage strap on, and we've also got some Disney luggage tags which needs to go on. So yeah, not too bad. Okay, let's go over this one more time. So packing cubes will help you organise your clothes, and they will help keep everyone's clothes separate, so you can live out of packing cubes daily if you don't need to hang anything up. And then these are called shoe bags, and you can search them on Amazon. They're sturdy. You get about a pack of 10 or 12 I think it is, and you can put either shoes in there or all your different outfits. Okay, well, the luggage strap didn't quite fit, so we're going this way.